Hello and welcome to our 2018 Summer of STEAM art video. Today we're learning how to make natural pH indicators. You will need a strainer, cherries, red cabbage, a bowl, water, a cutting board, and a knife. You will also need different samples to test. We used dish soap, white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda, and chalk, and we set it up inside a test tube rack. Be sure you get an adult to help you with today's experiment. Start by slicing the cabbage into strips. You're going to want an adult to help you do this step. Then add boiling water to the cabbage strips, again getting an adult's help. Next, slice and pit your cherries. You're going to want an adult to help you do this step. Add boiling water to them as well. Let both mixtures sit for 10 minutes. You should be able to see dye leaking into the water. Next, strain both indicators through a strainer, and you've collected your indicator. Transfer the indicator to a different container for use. Now set up your samples. You can either copy what we've done or use your own materials. First, we added lemon juice. Then we added apple cider vinegar. Next up was white vinegar. Then dish soap. We ground up our chalk and added our baking soda, and then added water to both of them. Our 6 samples were ready to go. Pipette or otherwise add indicator into each of your samples. These were our results with our red cabbage indicator. We repeated this process with our cherry indicator. And here are the results. As you can see here, the cherry and the red cabbage indicators both changed colors depending on which sample they were being added to. With the chalk and the baking soda, the cherry had a whitish color, but with the lemon juice it had a darker red color. The red cabbage, on the other hand, had a dark blue color with the chalk, and a light orange color with the lemon juice. Both cherry juice and red cabbage juice are pH indicators. pH is the measure of how acidic or basic something is. In our household, we often use products that are both acidic and basic. For example, lemon juice is highly acidic, whereas chalk is highly basic. These pH indicators can be added to samples so that we can help determine if the sample is an acid or a base. Say you had a sample of dish soap, and you weren't sure if it was an acid or a base. In order to figure it out, you could add cherry juice or red cabbage juice. If you added cherry juice, it would turn a white color, but if you added red cabbage juice, it would turn a dark blue color. This would tell you that the dish soap is a base. If you try out this experiment and make your own pH indicators at home, I'd love to see them. Be sure to tag me in your posts at STEM_files on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for more Summer of STEAM. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, like, and share.